Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru. Again, hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to post a video on Facebook. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Now to post a video on Facebook, let's open up our Facebook first. And after opening your Facebook and landing on this interface, you can see the what's on your mind option available over here. Tap on what's on your mind, and after that you can see the photo slash video option available over here at the first. Tap on photo slash video, and you will have to find a video which you want to upload to your Facebook. For me it will be the blank video, and you can see you can say something about this video, blah blah blah, or you can edit it from over here top left corner of the video. Tap on edit, and you can see you can apply these effects, you can trim them, you can add sound, you can add subtitles, stickers, text, and you can add lines over here, but we won't be doing anything now. Let's discard the changes. And if now to post a video on Facebook, you can see the post option available over here at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on post like this, and it will be posted on your Facebook. And there guys, this is how you post a video on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.